Hey guys, it's Magic here, and today I will show you how to make your own crown. You can do whatever you want with it. It's actually your idea. What shape does it have? Do you want? What shape does it have to be? What decorations you want to put in? So first, I will show you the things that you need. So you need one piece of white paper, a whole sheet, a pencil, scissors, and glue. Or if you don't have glue, you can use sellotape. And also you need some of them tablet thingies. Usually the tablets are inside of them and they leave a plastic thingy, something like this. They leave this little metal thing. So you need to rip not a ton of them, but maybe 2 or 3, and then I will tell you what to do with them. So first off, you get your piece of paper and you draw the shape of your crown. Okay, I just done squiggly lines. I thought that they would look nice, and now you have to cut them off. So yeah, when you cut it out, it should look something like this, and you have to know that it should be perfect for your head. So now with the rest of the paper, we'll do a band. From it, we'll just cut it straight across, and then you'll see what will happen next. So I have cut my strip. Sorry. And this strip will glue that strip onto this crown. Yeah, you'll see it there. But now with the tablets, then you just rip like 6 or 7 of them. How much you want actually. So I'll rip one more. Yeah. And now I drawed some earlier, some diamonds on them, and then you have to cut them out. So I'll be back when I'll do them 2 things. Oh yeah, and I forgot, when you're drawing on these metal things, you don't use your pencil because the pencil won't work very good. So you may use a permanent marker, that's a tin one, or you could just use this pen. I bought it in Super Savers for €1.45, and it is permanent, and as you can see it has a tiny tip, and that's good because then the diamonds will look nicer. So I'll be back when I'll cut all of the diamonds. So hey guys, I'm back and I have cut these tiny little diamonds. It's so hard to show them. Wait, I'll just these tiny diamonds, and now I'm going to stick them on my crown. So to stick them, you get your glue. You open the glue and you get one of the diamonds, and if you have writing on them, so put the glue on the writing, not over the nice part where there's nothing. So you get one, you put one on the glue stick like that. Should look something like that. Then you wiggle it. You take it off, it has some glue. You stick it to a corner or wherever you want, really. So now I will do it with the next 6. So yeah, I have just glued my 6. Yeah, my 7 of them on my crown, and it should look something like this. And of course, if you want to, you can get some crayons and color just like nice patterns on them, and that's what I'm going to do now. So I have just finished coloring. Now you can see me. So I have just finished coloring, and one of my thingies is falling off. Okay, now. So this is my coloring. I have a yellow mustache, and there's a ton of stars and little tiny flowers. That dot, this thing right here, is actually a star, and I drew circles around my diamonds. So now, what we did at the second time, we done this strip, and we're going to glue this strip behind this and do it all over like that. It should do a hole in the middle. So you can do it with glue, with Pritt Stick. I'm using the Pritt Stick is so good. It is very good. And on Pritt Stick it should say Pritt Stick Original. That's what makes it very good. And there's different sizes of them. But I'm gonna use some sellotape to glue this because Pritt Stick isn't that good for gluing things. Not just like them things, because then you put it on your head and it will get bigger and then it will fall. So I'll be back when I glue them both sides. So I have glued them two edges to the crown, and it should look something like this when you put it on. Oh my god, this is massive. Isn't it too big? Yeah, but you get the idea. I have to tighten it a little bit. So when I tighten it, I'll come back. So I done it a little bit smaller for my head. So now it should work. They're perfect, and it actually does stand. There's nothing around it. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Do you remember when we started? It was just a piece of paper, and this is what is left. You actually can make another one from it, but I don't want to. I started doing them in class. I got bored and I was like, you know what, I'll just do a crown. So I done them. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. So yeah, bye.